We provide online Holy Quran teaching services on Skype and WhatsApp in all over the world. We have students in USA, Canada, UK, UAE, Australia, Europe and other countries. 24 hours power backup, highly speed internet. We teach 24 hours in the world, time and day at your choice. One-to-one class per student. Highly qualified males and female teachers. English-Urdu spoken teachers also available for teaching. 5 days free trial classes. Female teachers available for female students. No age limitation. Get certification on completion of your course. Needy students can learn at affordable fee or free of cost. We offer basic Qaida course with Tajweed rules, Holy Quran with Tajweed course, memorization Holy Quran course, Holy Quran translation and tafsir course in English and Urdu, 40 hadiths course, namaz course, Arabic language course, basic and compulsory Islamic education.